After 1.5 years of cycling in a very car-first city in America, we are back in the UK. Of course, our first instinct was to jump on the Caledonian Sleeper and head north to Alaba. The Caledonian Sleeper is an overnight train from London to Inverness, which leaves London at 8 p.m. and arrives in Inverness at 8 a.m. or 7 a.m? Well, early. We had a lovely room all to ourselves and a full Scottish breakfast in the morning. Either because of overexcitement or the non-stop calls to the service phone right outside our room, sleep mostly eluded us. But opening our eyes to the Scottish Highlands and passing through the sites where I completely bonked during our very first bike tour made it all worth it. This year, we plan to ride what we call the Orkney Pictish Trail, from Thurso across the sea to Orkney and back down to Inverness. We planned 3 camp nights, 2 of which were in the wild. We rode over 500 kilometers through ancient Pictish land and past Neolithic monuments. We met Orcadians who told us the legends of Selkies and generous Highlanders who came to our aid when our plan eventually fell apart. Right, back on the road. We just left Thurso. Well, we just arrived Thurso. Now we're heading to Gills Bay, where we will stop by O Groats and actually taking a longer route to O Groats. And want to see the land down. Then we'll head to Gills Bay if we can make it. If we are too slow for today, we'll probably directly go to Gills Bay. It's on the way before O Groats. So, we shall see. Scottish hills. It's good to be out. On the left, it's South Ronaldsay. Oh, very close. We didn't record much on the way to Doncaster Head. We were too busy pushing the bikes on a 15% gradient while giving way to caravans. But the sea stacks definitely deserve another visit. This ferry is familiar, you're not alone. Gills Bay was used in the new Netflix show Department Q. Not sponsored, would like to be? Orkney identify themselves as Orcadians, and their history can be traced back to the Neolithic Age. During that era, the island thrived through regular immigration from the highlands, largely through marriage. Although two islands separated by a narrow sea share many of their legends and fairies, Orcadians are proud of their Nordic heritage and have a distinctive culture. This was a gorgeous campsite, just 4 kilometers from St. Margaret's Hope. They had a beautiful greenhouse with all-you-can-eat fresh herbs. Midges left us alone this time, but would come back with a vengeance a week later.
Some World War II memorabilia on the left. I think.